Today we're going to be going over crow pose for all levels. So if you are great at crow pose or if you've never done crow pose before, this video is for you. Crow pose is one of my most favorite arm balances. It's kind of the introductory arm balance in yoga. So if you can understand the principles and concepts of crow pose, all other arm balances become much more available. So we're going to start with our feet about shoulder width apart and our hands about shoulder width apart. And we're just going to come down to squat position and start to grip into the floor. Our knees are on the most upper part of our shoulders. So just squeezing into the shoulders and grip into the floor, pulling those elbows towards one another. Then we're going to start to just raise the hips up a little bit, start to move up onto the balls of your feet and think about moving everything up. And just kind of making this a drill. Think about squeezing your abs, squeezing the knees in, elbows in, and press the floor away. Press, press, press. A lot of times I see people lean too far forward. We want to think everything lifted up. You can see my arms are almost completely straight here. Good. So knees are resting on the back of the arms, the triceps. We're going to just start to lift one foot up. Just start to play around with holding our balance. Now you are going to shift forward just a little bit. But again, think everything raising up, up, up. If you get a little bit more playful with this, we can start to raise one foot and then the other, swiftly coming back down. And you can just make this a drill. Again, abs are squeezing. Everything starts to lift up. Maybe you get a little bit more air time. And then we'll try for the full crow pose, lifting those feet and holding it there. And then if you're really good with crow pose and want a little bit of an advanced variation, we're going to start to come into our regular crow, but then we're just going to gently begin to extend those elbows and try to hold that position. And then once you feel comfortable with crow, you can start to implement it into your yoga classes. You can flow it in to your vinyasas, which is really fun. You'll see that a lot in yoga classes. Even coming from downward facing dog into a crow variation, which is pretty difficult. And then the same principles apply for different variations of crow, like side crow. Okay, go try it out, see how it goes. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do another yoga pose tutorial, and I'll see y'all in the next video.